The history of Singapore dates back to the 14th century, when it was known as Tamask, a trading port of the Srivijaya Empire. In the 16th century, the island was ruled by the Sultanate of Johor, but it was later colonized by the British East India Company in 1819. The founder of modern Singapore, Sir Stamford Raffles, established the island as a trading post for the British Empire and transformed it into a major center for trade and commerce. During World War II, Singapore was occupied by the Japanese Empire from 1942 to 1945. After the war, Singapore gained self-governance in 1959 and became fully independent in 1965, due to political and economic tensions with its neighboring countries. Singapore has since undergone rapid development, becoming a prosperous and modern city-state with a highly diversified economy, advanced infrastructure, and high living standards. Under the leadership of its first Prime Minister, Lee Kuan Yew, the country implemented policies focused on economic growth, urban planning, and social stability, which transformed Singapore into a regional economic powerhouse. Today, Singapore is a global hub for finance, trade, and tourism, and is recognized as one of the world's most prosperous and innovative nations. Its multicultural society, efficient government, and advanced technology infrastructure continue to attract businesses, investors, and visitors from around the world. Singapore is known for its stunning architecture, well-manicured gardens and parks, vibrant nightlife, and world-class attractions. Here are some of the highlights. Gardens by the Bay. This iconic attraction features 3 waterfront gardens with over 500,000 plants and stunning futuristic architecture. Marina Bay Sands. This luxury hotel and entertainment complex boasts the world's largest rooftop infinity pool, a casino, and a spectacular light and water show. Sentosa Island. This popular resort island is home to theme parks, beaches, and a wide range of recreational activities. Orchard Road. This famous shopping district is lined with luxury boutiques, malls, and department stores. Merlion Park. The Merlion, a mythical creature with the head of a lion and the body of a fish, is a symbol of Singapore and a popular tourist attraction. Singapore Botanic Gardens. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a beautiful tropical garden with over 10,000 species of plants. Chinatown. This historic district is home to traditional shophouses, temples, and markets, and is a great place to sample local street food. Clarke Quay. This vibrant riverside area is known for its colorful buildings, lively nightlife, and waterfront dining options. With its mix of modern skyscrapers, lush green spaces, and diverse cultural attractions, Singapore is a truly unique and beautiful destination. Singapore is a multicultural society with a diverse population, made up of people from various ethnic, linguistic, and religious backgrounds. The majority of the population is Chinese, followed by Malays, Indians, and a smaller group of Eurasians. The people of Singapore are generally known for their hard-working and disciplined nature, as well as their commitment to education and economic success. Singaporeans value family and community, and there is a strong sense of social responsibility and civic duty. English is the main language of communication in Singapore, and it is also the language of business and education. However, many Singaporeans also speak one or more of the country's 3 other official languages, Mandarin Chinese, Malay, and Tamil. Singapore is known for its efficient and well-organized society, and this is reflected in the behavior of its people. Singaporeans tend to be law-abiding, respectful of authority, and considerate of others. However, they also enjoy a good work-life balance, and there are many opportunities for leisure and entertainment in the city.